In this video, I'll show you how to fix the red car with a key symbol on your Nissan dashboard. So if you see this warning light, it means your car can't detect the key fob, which is basically your car keys. And this comes from Nissan's intelligent key system when the car and the key aren't communicating properly. And the most common cause is a weak or dead key fob battery. So try replacing it first. Most Nissan key fobs use a CR2032 battery, which is this one right here, and you can find this for $3 to $5 online. And open the fob, replace the battery, close it, and just try starting the car again. If the light is still on, check the key fob for damage. Look for cracks, water damage, or loose parts if it's damaged. So if it's damaged, you may need a replacement from Nissan or an auto locksmith. And another possible cause is a weak car battery. A low car battery can prevent the system from recognizing the key fob. If your battery is old or causing electrical issues, consider replacing it. So to sum up, just start with the key fob battery, then the key fob, and finally the car battery. And that's it. If you found this helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.